Hello, good morning everyone. This is patient presented to us for the rhinoplasty surgery. Patient has previously been operated for the multiple mid-face bone fracture and along with orbital bone and the nasal bone fracture, and this is the scar which should not be opened for the facial fracture surgery. Ideally, the whole of the frontal skin should be elevated for this fracture to be operated, but this should not be happen, and this scar is there. And on the second time, patient previously also operated for the depressed nasal bone, and so for that patient is being taken rib graft. Here rib is being taken. This is scar of the previous surgery of previous harvesting of the rib cartilage from this side, right side of chest. Now the rib is inside the nasal dorsum. Here the skin is very much thin. We are going to operate this patient for the secondary rhinoplasty. Patient is still not satisfied with his result, and skin is very much thin, and this is the area where his frontal forehead area, mid forehead area is flattened. So we are planning. Previously patient is also have given a mesh over here with this incision, and but still after that surgery this area is still flattened. We can see on the lateral view of the patient. Patient is intubated for the general anesthesia. This is the intubation tube. With this patient is under general anesthesia. Patient is fully comatose. So here I am planning to give the iliac crest graft, and on the lateral view you can see over the radix. This is nasofrontal angle. Ideally it should be there below the radix, and here this rib cartilage graft is overriding the nasal radix and reaching up to the interbrow area. So I will do saving course with this cartilage area with this incision, because this is the already given incision. So I will approach this area with this incision, and I will go for the open rhinoplasty approach. This is the scar area. It is very difficult to redo in this case because the scar complication would again happen, and cartilage where I am going to insert from this area is going to be exposed. This is a risky procedure again. So I will remove this distal area, this rib cartilage area, and here nasal lower lateral cartilage is not sutured in midline, so interdermal suture have not been taken previously. So this area we can see is very much broadened. Okay, so I will bring this area, and for the T projection, I will give the columellar graft. So okay, because you can see the width of the anterior posterior dimension of the nasal ala and the tip should be 1/2 and this 1/2, but actually it is not projecting. So I will give a columellar graft over here for the T projection, and so I will give a smooth contour, and this is the area where the nasofrontal area where the patient is being operated for the nasofrontal fracture. So I will give, if possible, osteotomy on the lateral side. Okay. And on the nasal floor I will do reduction. So on the nasal still I will do reduction surgery here. So I will reduce the nasal width here. Let's see after the surgery or during the surgery I will show you how I am operating this case. The same patient here, we can see here this area, depressed area, this mesh is being placed. Even after that, this area is very much depressed in this patient, and this is the nasofrontal area, nasomaxillary area. Nasomaxillary area plate is there 1 and 1 2. So osteotomy should not be possible here, but I will try to do something better in this case. आप आदित्य की मम्मी जी हैं। आपका बच्चे का जब ऑपरेशन हुआ उसके चेहरे में क्या बदलाव हुआ और आपके मन में क्या फीलिंग है उसके लिए, ऑपरेशन के लिए?
सर यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। उसका जो पहले का जो हुआ था उसमें संतुष्ट नहीं थे अपन, और यहाँ का जो बना है जो माथे का और नाक का, तो मैं बहुत ही अच्छा, दिखने में भी अच्छा लग रहा है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
अब शादी हो जाएगी ऐसा लग रहा है आपको?
हाँ, मैं शादी के लिए ही चिंतित थी सर, अब शादी कर लेंगे।
ठीक, ठीक।
थैंक यू सर।
हाँ, कैसा लग रहा है आपको नोज जॉब या राइनोप्लास्टी कराने के बाद?
हाँ पहले से बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा बदलाव मिला है मेरे को। उससे पहले तो थोड़ा चेहरा मेरा थोड़ा बेकार ही दिख रहा था। सर्जरी के बाद उसमें बहुत अच्छा सुधार आया है।
तो पहले भी कितने बार सर्जरी हो चुकी थी आपकी?
पहले भी एक बार हो चुका था, लेकिन उसमें मैं संतुष्ट नहीं था उस सर्जरी में।
हाँ, उसमें क्या दिखता था आपको?
उसमें प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं हुआ था सर्जरी, मतलब थोड़ा अच्छे से दिखता नहीं था, मतलब वो
गड्ढा था माथे में?
हाँ, गड्ढा वड्ढा था। और नाक भी अच्छे से थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बड़ा था, वो अच्छे से दिख नहीं रहा था।
अच्छा।
उसके बाद
तो
यहाँ
उसके बाद अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब काम अच्छा हुआ?
काम अच्छा हुआ है सर, अभी थोड़ा दिखने में अच्छा हो गया है।
जी जी जी।
चेहरे में भी थोड़ा
ठीक।
आया है बदलाव।
ठीक।